Hi guys! So, I have a very interesting topic for today. Di ba lagi natin naririnig sa mga Christian couples, tinatanong sila na, what is the secret of having a happy marriage or relationship? Lagi natin naririnig is, you just have to put God at the center of your relationship. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin nun? I will cite an example. Kunwari, ikaw si wife, tapos nasa bahay kayo, and you have a story to tell to your husband who is doing something. So, for example, love, I have a story to tell. I have something to tell you. So, excited ka. Kasi nga, nasa work siya buong araw, tapos pag uwi niya, excited ka na makausap siya, di ba? Tapos si husband, ang sagot lang sa'yo is very minimal reaction lang, tapos hindi ka pa titingnan. So, usually before, if that happens to us, lagi ako magtatampo agad. But when I think of what will God react sa mga situations na ganyan, gagawin ko na lang is, I will be more understanding. Diba? So, iisipin ko na lang, maybe my husband is really busy with what he's doing. And it's very important. Same goes with the husband. For example, si husband may request kay misis. Tapos sasabihin niya, love, can you do this for me? Can you get this for me? Tapos pag si wife nagsungit, so instead na si husband is magsungit din, he will think of how God will react to that. So, hahabaan niya yung pasensya niya at lalawakan niya yung understanding niya. Iisipin na lang niya, maybe my wife is tired with the chores. So, di ba? So, yan ang ibig sabihin, or yan ang isa sa mga examples ng putting God in the center of your relationship. So, any situations that you will encounter in your marriage or reactions that you have to do regarding your husband and wife, everything, you just have to think of what will God do, what will God react, and you see guys, ma-eliminate yung mga negative emotions and mababawasan yung mga petty quarrels, tampuhan, and mga away. So, diba, the more that you think about God, when you are in a relationship, the more na magiging happy and peaceful ang inyong marriage. I hope and I pray na may makuha kayo sa video na to. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God bless us po.